Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with slime. Phone. Maybe I could balance you on a glass of water. That would be an idea. Okay, so I'm just going to poke it. Sorry if you can hear the music in the background. My dad is listening to music while he's doing stuff. Dad, can you turn that down? Okay. Dad, can you turn it down? Dad. Dad. Can you turn it down? Okay. So, Dad. Ow, my throat. Dad. 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 Dad! Ow, my throat. Can you turn it down? Can you turn your music down? Can you turn your music down?
Yeah. Is Mama home?
Okay guys, I'm back. My throat's feeling a little bit better, so that's good. So, last video was like about an hour ago, or like 10 minutes. I don't really remember, but I'm just going to smush this slime and play with it. Okay, ready? Okay, now trap all the air inside of it. Oh no! Oh no. I just choked like, because I swallowed my water while eating a cookie, so yeah. My throat hurts again. Oi. I can't fit. Hi, Daddy. I'm making a video. Bye. Don't know what that was. Okay, so. Whoops, trap on the air. Let's just poke that. There's air getting inside the cave. I need super gooey, ooey slime. Oh! That's do you. Ooey. I'm gonna stick my fingers through it. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video. Bye bye.